Hello guys, we're back with another video, and today we are going to be opening this fidget cube. And this is extremely rare fidget cube. Someone sold it to me without telling what color it is, as you see right there. Wonder what that is. Got my finger dirty. So yeah, let's open this fidget cube. This is the most rarest fidget cube, the person said, and I think he was just joking to me. So let's open it. Put tape here. There you go. You open the tape. Now let's open this. What is it going to be, guys? I'm going to close my eyes. What the heck? This is magnetic. This is metal, I mean. What? Yeah, you guys seen this? This is a metal fidget cube. Metal. A metal fidget cube. Whoa. That is, I've never seen a metal fidget cube, but here it is, a metal fidget cube. That is super cool. And it's right here, metal, I guess. And it's like totally metal. This isn't black or anything. This is metal. Wow. Oh my gosh. How I know this is metal is because look at this metal fidget cube. Let me get the light on it. It's metal. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at a metal fidget cube. This soothing stone doesn't work that good because it's metal, but yeah, metal fidget cube. Alright, I'll see you guys later, and bye.